Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified Program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.